Hello, this is TJ Roberts Decorating, and this is a worktop I did probably about over a year ago. And as you can see from the video, there's a lot of water damage, a lot of staining. So the process for me before I start sanding would be to just give the worktop a really good wash down and scrub down, remove any grease and stuff, and then it'd be on with the sanding. So the sander in this video is the Merca Dios 75 by 100mm palm sander. Now at the time this was their latest one, it had just been released, so I bought one just to give it a go. From the video you can see it's doing quite a good job, but I wasn't really satisfied with the sander in all, and I don't have it now, and I've reverted back to getting a new Festool palm sander. So I'll be sanding down this worktop, normally starting with round about an 80 grit and working down to a 120 grit and a 180 grit sandpaper to finish off. So in total the old sanding of the worktop probably took around about 1 hour to do. As you can see, it's all now sanded. There's one or two little bits I wasn't happy with, but I've just did my best what I could do with the palm sander. Just one or two little marks. As you can see now, it's the finished product, and it's been coated up with a food safe worktop oil. But as you can see, it's come up really nice, I think.